Hazrat Salama bin Aqwa reports, while we were sitting in the company of the Prophet ﷺ, a funeral was brought and the Prophet ﷺ was asked to pray over it. He ﷺ said, "Is he in debt?" The people said, "No." He ﷺ said, "Has he left any property?" They submitted, "No." So he ﷺ performed prayer over him. Then the second funeral came and the people said, "O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, pray over it." He ﷺ asked, "Is he in debt?" It was said, "Yes." He ﷺ said, "Has he left anything?" The people said, 3 dinars. So he ﷺ performed prayer over him. Then the third funeral was brought and it was said to pray over him. He ﷺ said, "Has he left anything?" The people submitted, "No." He ﷺ said, "Is there any loan against him?" The people said, "He owed 3 dinars." He ﷺ said, "You should pray over your friends." Hazrat Abu Qatada submitted, "O Allah's Apostle ﷺ perform pray over him. I will pay his debt." He ﷺ then performed prayer over him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2289.